Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
In early invasive carcinoma, first we should do mastectomy and we do an axillary lymph node status assessment is done. Or we can do breast conservative surgery is done. Plus you can do axillary lymph node assessment whether there is any um, if there is any mutation, any metastasis is there, so we can do axillary lymph node assessment with radiotherapy is done. Then if sentinel lymph node is not found, if sentinel lymph node cannot be identified or it was found to harbor a metastatic disease, if the patient is found to harbor a metastatic disease, in such cases we should do axillary lymph node dissection is also done. Okay, that is level 1 and level 2 should be removed. Then, in the early invasive breast carcinoma, we can give chemotherapy. So, what are the indications of adjuvant chemotherapy? Indications of adjuvant chemotherapy is is done if so indications are adjuvant chemotherapy, they are done if lymph node is positive, if the tumor is more than 1 centimeter, or if you see that the lymph node is negative, or if it is more than 0.5 centimeters tumor with adverse prognostic factors. So what are these adverse prognostic factors? So these are the main three criteria. One, lymph node should be positive. Second, tumor more than 1 centimeter, or lymph node negative, tumor is more than 0.5 centimeters, but that is tumor more than 0.5 to 1 centimeter, but with adverse prognostic factors. So the adverse prognostic factors include, so in the adverse prognostic factors, there can be blood vessel or lymphatic vessels invasion may be seen. Blood vessel or lymph vessel invasion, or there can be high nuclear or histological grade is seen, or there can be HER2 overexpression. There can be HER2 overexpression can be there with negative hormone receptor status. Okay, so all these are the adverse prognostic factors of the uh, and these are the indications of adjuvant chemotherapy.
thank you and thank you for watching.